Today, we are going to learn how to install the CP Plus CarKam, the next generation dashcam that comes complete with all the accessories. First of all, wipe clean the windshield glass from inside. Take the electro sticker and paste it on the glass properly. Now, remove the tape cover from the mounting bracket. Stick the mounting bracket at the center of the electro sticker. Now, we will insert the memory card inside the CarKam. Place it gently in the SD card slot on the left here. Now, stick the CarKam onto the mounting bracket. Make sure it is fixed in place. Check the rotation of the inbuilt display screen for convenience. Time to wire it up. Insert the cords in the allotted wire slots on top here. Your trusted pry tool will be very useful. Insert the wire under the edges. The wiring goes all the way to the back. Make sure to keep the pry tool handy. Once we reach the rear of the car, we will take the remaining wire and stretch it towards the rear window to be able to place the rear camera on top here. Once again, wipe clean the glass first. Use the second electro sticker given in the box to paste the rear camera here. Remove the tape cover. And gently stick the rear camera in the middle of the electro sticker. Connect the wires. Make sure every bit of wire goes under the edges using your pry tool. Connect the CarKam adapter with the car port. Now, we will connect the front camera to the adapter. Turn on the CarKam using the power button. Select the language of choice. Press Next. Select the date and time. Press Next. Turn the Wi-Fi on from the CarKam display screen. Scan the QR code given in the box to install the CarKam mobile app. Sign in using the credentials given on the sticker tag behind the display screen. Add your device. Connect it with the Wi-Fi. And your CarKam is now active and good to go.